is maintained. Today we also have a lot of emphasis on tuition. I was happy to know that in this school you don't have much of it. But I know many schools where children as young as 2, 3, 4 go for tuition classes. And sometimes these tuitions are just, both parents are working, so there's something for the child to do. But instead of tuition, perhaps the child could go for a dance class or a drama class or a music class or a gardening class or a painting class, because these are the things that are really, really important. And once you've laid the seed, like you have in this school, you don't want the child to go back and to regress. You want the child to improve and do better and better. So I think with the inputs that parents, teachers, peer group, everybody gives to the child, I think our children in India would really be on top of the world. I'd like to end now by thanking Prachiti, first of all, for inviting me here, for her very kind words. I don't know if I deserve them. And to Mrs. Matre, Mr. Matre, and all the family who have taken such an interest in the school. And I think it's this personal interest and care that shows in every bit of the work that I have seen so far. And I was really, really impressed. And I think you're all very lucky to come to this school. So I wish you all the best on this silver anniversary and in many, many years to come. May it grow from strength to strength. And I wish Prachiti all the very best in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Smita Ben, for such an enlightening speech and guiding all of us. Thank you. I request Varsha Madam to gift Smita Ben with a token of our Silver Jubilee function. Mrs. Tasneem Lightwala will now deliver the formal vote of thanks.
Respected Chief Guest, Mrs. Smita Godrej Krishna, the Trustee of Little Angels Eco School, Mr. Shekhar Matre, our Principal, Mrs. Varsha Matre, the invitees, my colleagues, and my students. On today's special occasion, I am honored here with the task of Thanksgiving. I would first like to thank our esteemed Chief Guest, Mrs. Smita Godrej Krishna, for spending her valuable time and showering her blessings upon us. Madam, today your good wishes has made our Silver Jubilee celebration more memorable. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I have been working here since last 23 years. I know today I stand here for Thanksgiving, but I will share a few of my own feelings with you. How can I miss this opportunity? There are so many memories, so many things to say, but the thing that has touched my heart is that in those days when I joined the school, I was allowed to get my 6-month-old daughter to my workplace. Until today, I have not heard or seen of such any school which does that. It is a really very good experience of teaching in a different and unique school like Little Angels, where we not only enjoy teaching, but also are learning new ideas and concepts throughout. We thank our madam and sir for showering their blessings and affection on each one of us in our joys and sorrows, and also motivating us to dream and touch greater heights. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. We even thank all our parents for being a strong support from the beginning, as they have always welcomed every new ideas and every change at Little Angels with an open mind. The cooperation of parents till date is irreplaceable. Thank you, parents. I would like to thank all my colleagues and teachers for their cooperation and putting their full effort for building the name and fame of the school. They are the most vital part of LA family. Thank you all the teachers. We would also like to thank our Maushis and watchmen for their creditable work. Oh, we cannot forget our auto uncles. Some of them who are with us from last 25 years, who always help us during our festivals and even at times of difficulties. Thank you, rickshaw uncles. And of course, how can I forget my loving students? It is you who has made us proud all these years. Thank you very much. Lastly, a big thank you to one and all for joining and helping us in making today's Silver Jubilee celebration so special and grand. We look forward to more wonderful years ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tasneem teacher. One of our ex-parents, Mrs. and Mr. Atle, have expressed their feelings for the school in a poetic form. And here I present the same. चंद्रशेखरची साथ आणि सावली, बाल शिक्षणाचे नवीन स्वरूप आणि सातत्याची ज्ञानवर्षा, विद्यादानाचे असे हे प्रतीक आदित्यप्रमाणे प्रकाशमान आहे. आज 25 वर्षांनी प्रचिती आली आहे. ही आहे लिटिल एंजल्सची जीवन कहाणी. थँक्यू. फारच सुंदर. थँक्यू मिस्टर अँड मिसेस आटले. We now request Smita Ben to kindly inaugurate the graffiti board with her comments and signature. For your gracious presence today. We hope you enjoyed your visit to our Little Angels Eco School and look forward to welcome you in future too. We invite the guests, parents and ex-students to write comments and express their feelings on the board. Parents, please come forward and comment and sign the graffiti board. All the guests, parents and ex-parents, students, a profuse gratitude to show your presence in such a large number. Thank you. I request Atul sir to come on the stage. A huge round of applause for Atul sir. Little Angels wishes all the Angelites a successful journey from KG to PG. Thank you all to show your presence in such a large number. Thank you very much.